Hello everyone, this is the part 3 back to the 80s and a little bit of the 90s. I think this is the third time I've tried to do this. Seems like the neighbor's dogs and my dogs want to have a barking contest, and we have Cotty. She decided to come and visit, supervise. Let's give Cotty some cookies. Gotta give Cotty the cookies. Cotty gets her cookies for supervising. When she gets her cookies, I'll put her on the floor. I have to have the camera way back. This is a big box. So, okay. This is the way it arrived. 2118 by 11. Maybe she'll stay out of the way. We're committed. Open it. Ooh, we have bubble. Lots of bubble wrap. This is from the same seller. There might be another one coming, another package coming too. So, what do we have in here? Oh, we've got another adapter. And we have another adapter. Now, the big item. Those were the 80s items. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this bubble wrap. So, let's pull this. I don't know if you've seen those. One adapter. Another adapter. We are going to be taking all this stuff apart in future videos, so. Okay. Let's get this box, reposition the camera. Come down a bit. Now we can see. Get it somewhat level. This guy packs really awesome. Hey, this was just a buy it because I wanted to have my hands on one. There we go. Oh, that's heavier than I thought. This is a Data IO 2900. Kind of funky shaped. But it looks like it's in really decent condition. Everything from the seller's been in really decent condition, and I'm linking the seller in my videos. Everything he's sold has been high quality. So, yeah, this is Data IO 2900. I really didn't need this one. Pretty much all my modern equipment will handle what this supports, but I just wanted it just for having one. So, and Cotty knocked her cookies down. That was that thumb. So let's give her a couple cookies here. Yeah, well, that's part 3. We're gonna be tearing into a couple of the Data IOs, the logic pack, a couple of the adapters. I've already been providing firmware dumps on the groups.io. So we will catch y'all later.